In this video, I will be showing you how to delete a Lovable AI project. Let's get started. First, I open my web browser and click directly on the address bar at the top of the screen. I type in Lovable and press enter on my keyboard to search for the platform on Google. From the search results that appear, I click on the top link for Lovable to go directly to their official website. Once the website loads, I am taken straight into the main Lovable dashboard interface. On this dashboard page, I navigate down to locate my project section. Under the My Projects tab, I can see my active project titled Health Hub Preview. To access the project settings, I move my mouse cursor over the project preview card and click on the three-dot menu button located in the upper right corner of the card. This opens up a context menu with several management options such as viewing analytics, renaming, and moving the project. I scroll down to the very bottom of this menu list and click on the Delete option, which is highlighted with a red trash icon. A warning pop-up window appears on screen titled Delete Health Hub Preview. It informs me that this action is permanent and cannot be undone, as it will permanently delete the project along with any active deployments and preview links. Since I am ready to remove it, I click the red Continue button in the bottom right corner of the pop-up. Next, a final confirmation window appears asking me to type out the exact name of the project to proceed. I click inside the input field and type Health Hub Preview, character by character. As soon as the text matches the project title, the Delete Project button becomes clickable. I click on Delete Project to finalize the removal. The pop-up closes and returns me to the dashboard, where a small green notification appears at the bottom right corner confirming that your project has been deleted. To verify that the project is completely gone from my account, I look at the left sidebar menu under the Projects section and click on All Projects. The main area reloads to show a screen that says, Start building your first project, confirming that the project has been successfully deleted and there are no remaining projects left in my workspace. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.